Las Vegas, I've been smoking crack.
The real one.
Let's call this is the hook right here.
What's the hook?
Right here.
Yo.
I like crack. I like crack.
What?
I like crack. I like crack. I like crack. I like crack. Oh, my God.
Plastic bags.
Crack bro, plastic bag lover. Save the earth, green tree, no brother. But I'm black because my daddy is. Have you found my daddy is? I haven't seen it for about 3 years, and I got 3 tears. I'm not trying to find it here. Try to find it and tell her to come here. And I won't eat it. Maybe beat it, but I won't cheat it. If I was a cheater, and Anita, ask Anita, if I had a baker, I'd leave her. Cause I don't eat crack. I just put it in my veins. Crack boy is a name, even though I got a plastic bag, things don't change. Crack, I like crack.
What?
I like crack. I like crack.
What?
I like crack. I like crack. Just pose. I like crack. I like crack.
What?
I like crack. I like crack.
What?
Where's my hat? Where's my dad? Just pose right there.
They call me A.O. You already know I stay low. And boy, I'm a killer with the flow. Boy, I ain't got a little bit of dough. I'm all off beat. Catch me on the strip. I'm so drunk, I can't even say nothing. Double D frontin'. Boy, been a G. Sippin' on Hennessy. Crack boy. Fresher than the Altoid. Boy got that crack. His daddy's black. You know where we at. Smack.
I like crack. I like crack.
What?
I like crack.
What?
I got the day first. Let me get it. Look how I get it in, looking like cinnamon. Skin color bleed like I never been in a penicillin. Like I got AIDS, but paid to the get it like I never been in shade. Because I am so light-skinned, looking like I'm mended. Never need to pretend it. Like an alien like Danny Glover. Put me in the air, now I'm with my brother. And that's not the sun, I do it for fun. Crack in my bling. Yes, I put it in some diamonds, linings, looking like that, like I'm a lion. Rawr! And I'm trying to find a lion. Rawr! So I could just go, rawr! And he got it on his arm. I got nothing in my arm, but I'm going in the chorus. Do you know Chuck Norris? And I know him. He's an expendable, so the expense of him. The expense of him. I don't have toilet paper. Do you have toilet paper? Looking for Kobe, that girl, he right there. I like crack. I like crack. I like crack.
What?
Where is my dad? Had to do my first Vegas. Now I'm out. Peace.